Hello, welcome back to my vlogs. My name's Audrey, if you're new here. If not, welcome back. I'm sick, like really sick, and I haven't vlogged in such a long time because I've been sick for so long. And I feel so bad. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Honestly, I think the last time I vlogged was right before Christmas. And I tried going back and looking at what I last filmed, but I think that I posted that already. So I haven't even started a new vlog. And I apologize, it's been a whole week. I haven't vlogged. I've literally been sick for the last 7 days. And I've been working the last 6 days. Today was my first day off in 6 days of working sick. I've been miserable. And I'm still sick. But it's been really nice to have today off to just rest because I have been going and going. And I don't know, I think I have a cold, but I haven't had a fever, which is good. But it's just been really miserable, like having to work and be sick. And I also look terrible, by the way. Ignore that. But it is January 1st, 2024. So, new year. Starting off the new year sick, but that's okay. See, I look so busted. I picked at my lip earlier. I've just been chilling all day because I've been sick. But I did want to start this vlog because I haven't in so long.
Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I really do believe it. Something's got a hold on me. I step out a brand new walk. I even sound sweeter when I talk. I feel like this before. Something's got a hold on me that won't let go. Listen, baby, ain't no mountain high, ain't no valley low, but not just a piece of time. I'll be alright. I never felt like this before.
I literally forgot about the mess that I made in the kitchen. And I just was like, oh, I'm gonna clean my room. Like, I still have all my dirty dishes, the air fryer. I have to swap the loads of laundry.
I'm tired of dirt roads named after high schools. Spend the rest of my life
Hello. Welcome back to my TED Talk. How are you guys doing? I know I was filming earlier today. By the way, my dog's snoring. So if you hear her snoring, she's snoring. I started this vlog earlier today and I haven't had like a good sit down chit chat with you guys in a while. I feel like because I've been so busy and sick in the holidays, and we had family coming to town this month or last month, and it's just December was such a big month. Wow, thinking about, okay, yeah, it was such a big month. We had family come to town, 2 birthdays, Christmas, I got sick, and I feel bad because like the vlogs are something that I really enjoy doing and putting out, but I just haven't really had the time. Especially with my work schedule and whatnot. But on that same note, I am really excited to like start this new year because my work schedule will be I won't be working less, but I won't be as exhausted because we won't, as you know, I'm the night shift person, so I won't be there till 3 a.m. because it's not the holidays. I'll probably be there till like 12:30 most days, which is really nice. So I'll be able to have more energy to put into my life besides working. And hopefully once I'm done being sick too, you know. But I wanted to chit chat with you guys and let you know what's on my mind, what I want to do in this new year. And one of the big things for me in December was even though I was working a lot, I started to become extremely grateful just for where I am in life. I realized in the month of December how, for the first time in months, I feel like I am where I am in life is where I'm supposed to be right now. And I had a realization one day, and I was like, wow, like for the first time in a really long time, I feel fulfilled. I'm happy, and like granted, I went through a lot of changes this year with the move and everything, and I'm starting to like get back to a life, if that makes sense. And I'm just like really, really grateful for the life that I'm living and the people in my life. You know, it's always been hard for me to make friends. I think I've talked about that before, but you know, I made a couple friends at my last job. Jay and Ainsley, if you're watching this. And I just like love them so much, and I'm so grateful to have them in my life and just to have friends again. And I'm making friends at my new job as well. And it just, I don't know, December has been like a good month. Even though it's been really tiring and exhausting, it's been really, really good. And I'm excited to bring that energy into 2024 and to be able to expand upon those friendships and do more things since I won't be working as much. And my dog has been creeping me out all night. She's been staring into the abyss. It's really creeping me out. Anyway, there's a lot of things I want to do in 2024. I really want to try to get better at posting more and vlogging more. Just kind of expanding on that. And I also really want to start just exploring my hobbies again more, because I think with the whole move and adjusting to this new life here, I've kind of pushed a lot of things aside, and I'm starting to realize like there's a lot of things I want to do. I want to start crocheting again or sewing again, and I've taken inspiration from my sister, and I really want to start baking and making food more from scratch. I need water. Oh my god, my throat's really scratchy. I also really want to try and travel a little bit this year. I want to try and save a lot of money this year, because for quite a few months after moving, I was not making enough. And that's why I switched jobs. So definitely I do want to travel. I want to do a road trip. I miss the outdoors, and I do miss California, and the outdoors there. I don't know if I will be, I mean, it'd be cool to do a road trip back to California, but I also do want to explore the northern parts of the United States because I've never gone northern. So that would be cool to do. And there's a couple local places here in Texas that I want to check out. I think there's Big Bend National Park in Texas. I don't know how far that is from me though. I'll have to check that out. But that would be cool to go see. I really just miss nature. There's not a lot to do around here. There's no hiking spots. There's one like trail, like a walking paved trail, I think. But quite honestly, that trail looks like where murderers get their next victim from. So I don't really know if I feel comfortable going on that, but oh, other things I want to do is, so y'all know that we're building our house and the construction is like actually starting. I think I've put some footage in the last vlog of them flattening out our land. They've actually started like making borders or something. I don't know. But one thing I am very excited for this year is once our house does get finished, I'm excited to spend a lot of time outside in our backyard because we have like 4 acres or something, and obviously our house doesn't take up the 4 acres, so we have a lot of like property, and I'm really excited to just spend time outside, like get my hands dirty, maybe do some gardening. I think my parents want to do a garden, but I'm really excited to spend time outside, especially because I think when the house will be done, it'll be summertime. And y'all know me. I'm from Southern California. I love the sunshine. I miss the sunshine. I can't wait to just like be in the sun and feel the warmth. Obviously, wearing my sunscreen, being like safe about it, because skin cancer runs in the family, but I'm just really excited to have my own space back. I can't really do that here in this rental. So I'm really excited for that. And I'm also really excited to kind of just make my own dream room and have my own nice bathroom. Like literally just the bare necessities, or not necessities, but just the basics, I'm also excited for the new year to continue and really start fresh with living for myself unapologetically. And I'm excited for new opportunities. And can you stop being creepy? That's me. That's me you're looking at in the reflection. Hi. My dog has been creeping me out all night. My parents went to a dinner and I've been home alone. And she has been barking into the abyss and staring into the abyss. Can you stop creeping me out, Daisy? She's looking into the mirror that I can see her in. Daisy! You're looking at me. Maybe if I just ignore her. She's really been creeping me out, Daisy. You need to stop that. Where are my parents? Mom, Dad. When are you coming home? Anyway, thanks for chit-chatting with me. I also want to dye my hair. I want to go blonde again. Should I cut my hair? I have not talked to y'all in I don't even know how long, because I've been so sick. And I know I talked to you guys last while I was sick. But I got worse. And then I went to urgent care. And now I'm here. Yeah, I can't remember the last time I talked to you guys, but I did go to urgent care. I ended up going to urgent care because I guess I figure I have a cold or flu, but my ribs started to hurt really bad when I coughed. So I went to urgent care and they like swabbed my nose for the flu, COVID, and RSV, but it came back inconclusive, which was interesting. And then the doctor at urgent care checked out like my lungs and my breathing, and she basically just prescribed me antibiotics and nasal decongestant. And so that was what? That was Wednesday. And now it's Saturday. So I've been on the antibiotics for 3 days now. And I do feel like I'm slowly getting better. The nasal decongestant that they prescribed me was beautiful, or is beautiful. It just clears everything up. But I am so exhausted because I've just been working sick for the last 2 weeks, and I finally have 2 days off in a row. I have today off and tomorrow, so I'm really excited to catch up on everything, and I have laundry to do.
And I think I'll wait until the evening gets late and I'm alone with you.
Hello. I really don't think you can see me right now. Okay, we're just gonna use my phone as a light. Hello, my friends. So it is January, Sunday the 13th, and currently Texas is freezing over. This is my first time experiencing the Texas freeze. I think a lot of people call it that. I don't know, but it's 23 degrees right now, and I don't think I've ever been in such cold weather. And everything's frozen over because it rained. I had to call out of work today. Excuse my dog snoring. And I work the next 2 days, and I probably am gonna have to call out for the next 2 days as well because it's gonna be below freezing for the next 2 days. god. These look like French fries. Oh, it's from my boots. My boots have I am going to end this vlog here. I hope you enjoyed. I feel like there wasn't a whole lot going on with me being sick, so hopefully in the next vlog I can do some more fun stuff. But I hope you enjoyed, and for anyone that's experiencing cold weather, I hope y'all are staying warm and safe, and your fur babies are staying warm. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one.